Hello and welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to discuss about tabs and ribbon in Microsoft Excel, and also discuss about how to make or how to customize a tab in the ribbon in Excel. So it is just simple steps, and just I'm giving you the tricks and tips for create or customize the ribbon. You can see in here I already open a Microsoft Excel worksheet, and here you can see this is the blank worksheet, but in the top you can see there is the home. So here you can find the ribbon and tabs. Here the groups of tabs is called the ribbon, like file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, reviews, views, and developer and help. This all together we call the ribbon. And in the ribbon there is a few tabs, and there you can see home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, like this, view, developer and help. This called the tabs. Each tab has the few groups. Like in the home tabs you can find the clipboard groups and font groups, alignment groups, number groups, style groups, and sales group, and also editing groups you can find. And also same as you can find the insert tabs, there's a few groups you can see in the here, and as usual in the page layout there is a few groups. You can use them to your Excel worksheet. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a tab for your quick access. So like if I work something in here, and if I want to use like the few options, not the all options, like all groups, and if I want to take like this clipboard, and from the insert if I want to use table, and like page layout if I want like arrangement, and as usual from formulas if I want to use the function library or the specific tabs or the specific group for my work, so I can customize the tab. So how to do it, let's go. I'm gonna show you. Go to the file, and in the file in the bottom you can see in the options, click on that, and when I hit on the options, now you can see in the Excel options there's a few options like general, formulas, data, proofing, save languages as of access, advanced, and customize, ribbon, quick access toolbar, add-ins, and task center. And from here I'm going to use the customize ribbon. Let me choose the customize ribbon. When I click on the customize ribbon, then we will found that customize the ribbon, and then the next one we can see customize the ribbon, and here it say the main tabs, and here choose the command from here, the popular commands. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a tab like the home tab, insert tab. I'm going to use, or I'm going to create a new tab for my quick access. So how can I do it? Just use the new tab, and now you can see here's the another tab like the home tab and insert tab. So here's new tab. Let me click on the OK. Now you can see here the new tab, but when I click over the new tab you can't see anything in the new tab. This is the blank, there is no group, nothing is there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the some group or some access for my tab. So let's go to again the file and options, and from options quick customize ribbon, then click on that. Before that what I'm gonna do, click on that and use the rename. So click on that and use the name, like if I say like Martin, then hit on the OK. Then now you can see the tab name is Martin. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the few groups in here. Like if I use from like all tabs, then go to the home, and from the home bar I'm going to use only the clipboard, then select this one and then hit on the add. Now you can see this is the clipboard. Then I can use the style, click on that and add it. Then same as go to the insert tab and use like the table and use the add. Now it has the table. Then same way I can use the link, only link, select it and use the add. And as usual I can use the formula, and from formula I can just use the function and the whole function, then use the add. Now you can see in the Martin tab there is few groups like clipboard, styles, tables, link and functions. Okay, let me check it how it will come. Then click on the OK. Then now you can see after the formula step there are also the another tab is called the Martin, and in the Martin there is a few groups like clipboard, styles, tables, links and functions library, what I customize there. Then what I'm gonna do, let's go back to again from the option and use the customize ribbons, then go to the Martin, and here you can see also it is in the like after home tab, insert tab and page layout and formulas. So what I'm gonna do, I will take it this tab to after or before the home tab. So let me start, like click on that and use this one for move up. Now you can see this is in the first one, then next one is home tab. Okay, just you can usually do like the move down, or you can use it as a move up. Okay, next option what I'm gonna do, I will use the new group. Okay, let me click on the new group, just click on the new group. Now you can see there is a two group, but it is the same name like new groups and new groups custom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the name and use the like name MT. If I say this is kind of the example and hit on the OK. Before that you can also use the symbol if you want for your display name, like if I use this one. Okay, let me choose one of them and use the OK. Then let me click on the OK. Let's see how it will come. You can now see this is the before the home tab, all groups in here, and you can also see the all tabs here. Let me go back to again the customize ribbon. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the few quick access bar or customize the ribbon. Just click on that. Then I'm gonna use the few options from here. Let me click like the piston, then add, then open, add, then I can use like the cut, edit. Okay, then you can choose from the commands here, like if I say all commands, now you can see here's the all commands, you can use from them. And you can also choose from the like the binary word book. Let me select it, then same as I can do for the another. If I say the track error, let me just click on that. Then you can now see that in the Martin step there is a few groups like empty groups and clipboard like this. Then what I'm gonna do, just click on the OK. Now you can see in the Martin tab there is also empty groups, and here is a paste, open, cut, binary workbook what I'm selected in the customize there, and with there's also a few tabs I have selected, and it is just very easy and simple. Just follow the step and you can also make, and also you can customize the tab for your work and whatever you like for your worksheet in Excel. Okay, so that's for today. I hope that it's helpful to you tricks, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.